small when you try on my shoes and then massage my face now.
Good morning, guys. It's regionals weekend. Actually week, I guess, because I'm missing school. It's 6 a.m. and I'm just getting all of my ski stuff together downstairs so that the van can pick me up. I'm trying not to wake Taylor up, so. Good morning, everyone. We're doing pickups. I'm driving. Taylor forgot her swimsuit, so we're gonna have to go back. Good morning, Annie. Good morning. We're filling up with gas. We're in Vegas. We're Vegas. I like that a lot. We've reached the Mecca, Whole Foods. Anna's really excited.
Oh my god, I'm in my element.
Oh my god, she's got tricks. Time for shade. We've arrived at our Airbnb. We're the first people to stay here. My knees are so stiff from being in the car.
My feet are kind of numb.
All right, let's do this house tour.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Oh, it smells new. Cute kitchen, spacious living room.
So there's one.
We might be able to take some of the Slalom ones out and just maneuver.
Yeah, like at least the ones that are up top.
Right.
Well, the boys want their Slalom skis for
Look at all the leaky poles. Oh yeah, so really just the
Spawns.
girls. Yeah, not spawns. We're here at Boise State. We're sneaking into their library so we can print some liability forms. Just ski team thing. Oh, hello. Hi. What's your alter ego's name? Her name is Stacy. That's Stacy. Anyway, we're gonna print our waivers and then get everyone to sign them. Final captain's meeting of season 2020. Woo woo. Mia's hair looks so nice. The lighting is beautiful. Oh, let's register. Okay, we're filming whether or not we duel or we hot springs. Oh god. Heads is duels.
Do we need to make more for Eddie?
We duel. We duel. She's so excited. Yeah, but I want to actually duel. So we just got out of our captain's meeting, got our swag. This year we got long sleeve shirts. We're really stepping up our game. And it's got an Idaho on it. It's cute. We're gonna go to Target right now and pick up a band-aid for Mia's bleeding finger and some super glue so we can stitch her back together. And then we're gonna go out to dinner.
Oh, don't you let me go. You baby, don't you?
Oh, this looks so good. No, go. Try it.
Let me know.
She's trying her asparagus fry. Oh, yeah. So good.
A steamboat sailed ashore. It was calling me aboard.
Good morning from Boise Basin. We got a little sunrise going on here. That's our race hill right there. It's time to unload. We're gonna have to double carry some skis because we got girls GS and team duel today. So we got both pairs of skis. All right, we're ready, ladies and gentlemen. Bib 35. See you guys on the hill.
You tried to hide behind your paper.
See, look, they have a camera set up. They're live streaming our race. We just got done with run 1 inspection. So now we're chilling out because we have like an hour till the start. Yummy! Get it! Here is a good little overview of our course. It doesn't actually look that dramatic on camera, but the problem is that it's a literal half pipe, and right there was a fat hole that our lovely teammate Taylor Romano flew out of, straddled the gate and went into the B-net and went into that. Yeah, she had a lovely crash. They decided after she went to shovel it, but we're gonna go inspect. They just reset It's gonna be so loud on this, I know it. Remember last year's video being like, I'm never gonna film on a chairlift because you can't hear, and here I am. But yeah, second run's gonna be fun. It's gonna be Sendy. There's a lot of good girls here, so it's pretty fun to see like where everyone stacks up. I feel like we're a lot closer together. Yeah. Everyone is like, where sometimes in our league we have gaps of like full on seconds between us, but people are pretty close. Talk to you guys later. Second run, here we go.
I think I said, I think that. Ooh, do you feel it? Do you feel it? Ooh, do you see me here? Do you see me here? Ooh, do you feel it?
Guys, I'm crying right now. Happy tears. We ended it on a good run, but now I'm sad. I want to keep going. This is so cute. We're waiting for Mia to come down and Annie, and then we're done. Crazy. Last GS run ever.
She's off. Ladies and gents, this is Taylor Romano commentating today. Oh, we got some speed on those feet. Grabbing a bully. I think we're gonna pass some pedestrians here. Those turns. Oh! Look at that outside ski pressure! Oh, hey! Welcome to our live footage. Oh wait, I got a buckle.
Oh no. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body baby. VQs. Let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah.
Guys, Annika plus team and friends, we are hyped right now. Not only are we in the best mood for the day, but we also are about to ride this mountain coaster. Oh wait, does it take you up? Oh my god, I thought you guys said you knew where you were going. Okay, anyway, we got the GoPro on, fully strapped up to get this content. And he's got her Vogue sunglasses on, ready to get Sendy.
We're ready! Oh, it's bright up here. Oh, I wonder how fast it goes.
And Flynn said he built this?
He was the first guy on it. And I think he did build it. Wait, that looks so sick!
She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can.
All right, we've convinced Taylor and Mia to come on the coaster, and Annika and I are gonna ride for the third time. We tracked our speed, and together it was 28.2 miles per hour, so pretty fun. Yeah. Pretty Sendy stuff. So we just had our competitors for the duel from University of Idaho come up to us. They wanted to know what our seating was like, so we didn't tell them, did we? That's top secret information. Unfortunately, I had my bib on, so I just like hugged it so that you wouldn't see the number. So we're now hiding our bibs so that they don't know what we're running. And we're getting ready for this duel. I've never done a dual panel slalom, so I'm kind of hyped, honestly. Watch out, vandals. Watch out. Skoda. All right, the duel has begun. This is Utah versus Wazoo right now. We already had girls send it.
People do applause, singing and rapping. I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane.
So update on team duels. Our team got really messed up because Taylor, who was our first seed, raced against someone who wasn't even the University of Idaho girl. I was the second seed, so I was trying to like go against this girl, and we were in the gate, and it was just a whole thing. So anyway, both Anna and I got beat, and we don't know who Taylor raced against, so we're trying to figure it out. Probably still out, but you never know. The boys are dueling now. So Taylor has informed us that we're on standby because it's up to whether or not she beat a girl or I beat a girl or Anna beat a girl. So they're gonna look at the time. So we're still in the running for this.
Okay, well let's check out the bracket.
Yeah, let's check out the bracket.
We have to
Made
come back
it,
up
right.
or not.
Okay, we need to get out. Let's get out and join.
I'm a little behind, Yeah, you are. Okay. Hey,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey.
They actually just want us to go through the finish line to make sure timing works.
We were super official today. We basically set the course.
Yeah, Taylor did all of the distance measuring, and then I carried a bundle all the way to the end. My bundle was only the last 4 blue gates, and I was like, oh, when do we ever get to stare at a beautiful finish line, like, ever? Once in a lifetime. Look at this corral, it's huge. Thank goodness.
How's it looking out there, boys?
What do you think?
Looks awesome.
Looks sendy.
Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor.
Taylor took over the announcing for me, so now I get to just watch the boys and also get a tan. This is Benjamin Tanner from Whitman crossing the finish line.
You have a fact about him.
A fun fact about our friend Benjamin from Whitman. He directed, produced, and starred in Spy Kids 5 when he was only 12 years old. You can check it all out on YouTube.
As 18 collegiate ski teams have converged here at Bogus Basin for 3 days of competition. Before we get to results from last night's dual panel slalom, how about a big round of applause for the staff here at Bogus Basin.
Yeah, I forgot to vlog, but we went skiing. Coach Taylor was coaching us. We tore down the course, we watched awards, and now we're here in Peggy. We're going home for a nap and some food and some homework, and then our hockey game. We're going back to the ice cream place we went to last night. Gonna get a snack.
Yeah, I won't let them know that the rotten I'm rooting for who you gonna choose, that's all I want. We're all leaving it on the hardwood. Whatever happened to you, it only happened to you. So do what you must, but just don't do it good. All on the bus, do what's the fun. Say it like you know. Say it like you know.
So we're currently stuck and we're lost in a parking garage. Convinced that we're in the correct parking garage. No, I believe we're wrong. Like I think we're wrong. We're definitely wrong. But we can't. There's too many Park Boise's or Park Boy or whatever they're called. They're all Park Boys. And they're all Park Boys, and they all have the same sign. And we have no idea where. And they're all within like 3 blocks. And we can't find Peggy. Okay, down 5 stories. We had to hike all the way up here. Anyway, a hockey game was a blast. We made it. Floor 5. Bib number is 32. It's the last one. The question is, where did I put my skis? Ah.
Tell me how I like it. We can go far. It's so far, so good, y'all. Beautiful things makes what I think that we take a shower afterward and I can't get out of here.
Here in the announcing booth, getting ready. Boys are running first today. We're doing the slalom. Here's our beautiful race arena. We have 20 minutes till boys forerunners. I might get some tea so I can fully announce to the best of my ability. The apple cider was really good. I think I'm gonna get it. Just a little delay, sweeping one. You gotta get early though to make this, okay? How hyped are you for first run?
So hyped.
How hyped are you for first run?
Pretty hyped.
How hyped are you for first run? We ran this little practice course up there and it was messy. Messy. But this should be Sunday. I'm hyped. Also, the view here is stunning. Girl's second run. We're cheering on Taylor, her final run of senior year. First run was no bueno because I fell on the first turning gate. Finished my second run. I'm so happy. So cute. They were all playing. What is that song called? Coming Home. When I came to the finish line. Taylor started crying and Taylor never cries, so then I started crying. And now I'm crying again, so we have to turn this off. Okay.
My gas is a black coffee. I was not. Then she caught me, now she missed me.
Good morning. It's Sunday now, and our lovely Mia actually found this adorable coffee shop. So we're gonna get some coffee before we roll out of here back to Eugene, Oregon. There is the master coffee shop finder. So cute.
Oh, you look so foreign. He's so familiar. I was drawn in by the light. Now it's dark and warm.
That's what happens when your sunglasses get stuck to your head.
My hair's in it. Oops. That's what this is for.
I want to see.
Where are we right now? I have literally no idea.
The Paiute Indian Reservation.
Oh, we're peeing. Well, not me.
What the?
That is the Moose Tucker thing I have ever seen. The frosted. No, come back. It's all over his face. No.
Biting into a loaf of bread.
We've reached a whole new level. Oh guys, the fresh air feels so good.
What? Look what we got last night. Family size. Party size.
Oh, and in addition
Fiesta size.
this, we also got these. And wait,
Okay, by we you mean you. There's more.
but look how cute these things are. I couldn't
I've
pass
never
those up.
seen minis.
They're Junior Mints Minis.
We got the family size another 2 hours?
Yeah.
2 hours. Because 2 hours to bed.
We're gonna see if I like the egg. I haven't tried it since I was like 7.
It's good like on this stuff.
Yeah, I know. I think this is
Like
good.
on a-
Here we go. These glasses, I just can't. I liked the egg in my dish, so that's honestly kind of a victory.
Hello.
Hello. This is Anna, by the way. She's the best.
Hi.
Anyway, we're driving back to Eugene. We're in Bend now, so we got what, 2.5 hours to go?
There's a Texaco.
We're so close. Doesn't Annie look cute? I forgot my sunglasses, so we're using Taylor's.
Sassy.
Sassy. I don't pull them off because she has the bangs, so she can look sassy. Hers are sick. I'm gonna zoom in. Yeah, you got sick shades, sister.
She also has a bright future.
People in the house. Gotta get out. The pretty ladies don't count.
In university vehicles, you can't get ticketed driving through campus. Hey, Lilith. Back to reality. Oh, it's our song.
Oh no, we're gonna cry.
No, we can't cry. We're ending this.
No.
Then there was only 2. Then there was 2. And it started with 2. It just like happened to work out that we were the last 2 here. This is how it used to start because Taylor and I were the only people on the team with Devin. And then there was just us.
Now it's just us again.
But before we actually start crying, we just want to say thank you for watching this video. I don't know if you like skiing or not, but we do, and we really liked filming it and showing you guys what we do on a weekend.
Yeah, this was the highlight of my year.
I agree.
This was the best trip ever.
Yeah, we were ranking our top 3 races and this was on the list. Go out there, learn how to ski. If you want to learn how to ski, hit us up. We can teach you.
Yes, learn how to ski.
Do it. Lifelong sport, ladies and gentlemen. So many memories, and it's just been an incredible 4 years, and I'm glad we did it together.
I'm getting teary-eyed.
Same. Okay, bye.
Bye.